don't know if this is such a good idea. This lady, she said, hey, someone bought you, and they want you to go to the Baker art room, and there's going to be lots of kids there to play with you and to have fun. And I like art, as you can see by all the colors on my body, but I don't know, it's so scary being in that box for 2 whole days. And there's no one here. But I think this is the art room. I see some fancy crayon posters over there. And I see some fancy artworks. Wow. So, I don't know. I'm going to have to crawl out of this box and maybe look for some friends to play with. But I don't know. I'm so tired from trying to get out of the box. I think I might need to take a nap first. So, I think I will. But anyways, if anyone sees some kids around here, tell them I'm looking for them, okay? All right, I'm just gonna crawl back in here, and I'm just gonna take a little nap, okay?